us college students gotta stick together, okay? So best believe when I find out about something or I know something, I'm gonna let y'all know.
That girl that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl that you got ain't got nothing on girl.
Hey friends, it's your girl M.I.A. Yana, and I'm here again with another video. If you're new to my channel, what's up? Join our friend group and click that subscribe button down below. So being the good friend that I am, I'm about to put y'all onto some student discounts that you probably never even knew about and how to get them. Stay tuned to the middle of the video to find out how you can get these discounts and a whole bunch of other discounts. And I really wanted to give y'all this video. It's not going to be a long video because I never knew about this until like the middle of college. And I was like, bro, what? Like here I am thinking that, oh, these places only give like 10% off. Nah, baby, they give it 50, 30, 15, 20. It's time to save money, okay? It's 2020. We got to save money out here. We got to be mindful of our spending habits, especially being the young adults that we are. So your girl's going to help you out. Without further ado, I hate long intros. I say that in every video. Y'all already know that, so let's get on into this video, okay? So, the categories that I'm going to talk about is going to be food, entertainment, shoes, and like lifestyle, stuff like that. So let's start with food, because we love to eat. I only found one major one that I was like, oh, this is pretty interesting. No one really knows about this one, and it is for Grubhub. Grubhub, you get 20% off your purchase. So like if the dining halls are closed and you don't have a car, or even if you have a car and you don't feel like driving all the way to Wendy's, order on Grubhub. You get 20% off if you are a student. We have shoes. For shoes at Crocs, you get 25% off. At Champs, you get 20% off. Finish Line, you get $15 off a $150 purchase. If you like Champs and you like Finish Line, or even if you don't even like the shoes there, but you like the apparel that they sell there. Personally, I like the apparel that they sell there. I definitely do buy shoes there, but I'm kind of like a clothes girl more than I am a shoes girl. As far as clothing goes, this is my favorite one. For clothing, Boohoo has a 50% off code for students. Aerie, the bra and panty store, or you can get swimsuits. I bought some Aerie swimsuits and they're really, really good. They have really, really good quality. 20% off for that. American Eagle, they give you 20% off. H&M, you also get a 20% off your purchase. Kate Spade, for all my ladies out there who love them some handbags, students get 15% off. Forever 21 also gives you 15% off. Adidas, you get 20% off at Adidas. I believe Nike might have a student discount, but I didn't really look into that. The next one is a big one. I know y'all college girls or college guys too, but I know for me, Shein is the for real plug. Cute stuff, affordable pricing, and guess what? You can get a 15% off discount. I use it all the time when I order off of Shein, and it literally takes off some coin. So next we have Gymshark for all my gym baes out here. Gymshark sells workout apparel. I don't know if about like workout equipment as far as like elastic bands and like little ankle weights and stuff. I don't really know. I just know them for workout gear, and I do have some workout gear from Gymshark that I use my student discount with, so it does work. Now we're gonna go into tech, lifestyle, entertainment. GoPro, you know, little cameras that you can shoot, like the action cameras, they have a 25% off for students. Disney Plus has 15% off for students. Apple Music, I feel like a lot of people know this, but then there's some people that don't. Apple Music, they have a $4.99 rate for students. Spotify has the same thing, but you can get the student premium package where you get Spotify, Hulu, and Showtime for $4.99. And then Amazon Prime, this is a really, really good one because students get 6 months free Amazon Prime, and then after that it's 50% off on Amazon Prime. So that is really, really, really good. And a way that you can find even more, if there's some that I didn't even mention, the best sites, it's like the Google to student discounts. It is Unidays and Student Beans. Perfect. These two are very reliable sites to use for student discounts, and they have everything from clothes, shoes, food, travel. They just have a lot. So if I were you, I would definitely go check them out, save some coin. Us college students got to stick together, okay? So best believe when I find out about something or I know something, I'm gonna let y'all know. Yeah. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, friends.
That girl that you got ain't got nothing on me.